Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this WestKiss curly wave glueless wig. Like always, they send some goodies in the box. There was a bonnet, a wig cap, a wig band, lashes, an edge brush, and a dust bag. They also included some wig tape, but this is supposed to be a 100% glueless wig. They sent it in 22 inches and I believe 250 density because I was looking at how thick the hair was. And this is HD lace 4x7 and it's pre-plucked and pre-bleached. We already know that that's the standard at this point. There's a wig band included and adjustable straps and 2 combs. So I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses foundation and putting that all over the lace. I usually just put this wig grip band on my head to just have some extra security when I'm wearing glueless wigs. This hair is so thick, guys. I'm looking at it like I don't even know what to do. But I just started off cutting some of the lace off and putting some more foundation and just shades that I use from like a eyeshadow palette that's old, just to match my skin tone. So now I'm taking out some hair so I could cut some baby hairs. And after I cut them, I just put the band on so that it could lay flat while I fix the rest of the hair. At first I was going in with this spray bottle, but I realized it was taking way too long because the hair was way too thick. So I just went to the sink and put water all over it so that I could brush it out. I always use this Cantu gel for curly wigs. It works so well. Like, I don't know. Let me know what products you guys use, but I love this gel. I decided to finger coil some pieces around the hair. I really like the look of this, and I would have done a lot more if I wasn't rushing to go somewhere, but I think it came out really cute. Since I got the hair to lay down flat a bit with the band, now I'm actually going in and doing the baby hairs, and I used some spritz to really help hold it down, but just for the hair and not on the lace, and just tied that up with the band for a few minutes. Now I'm just cutting some layers, and I didn't want to go too crazy, so I was just kind of cutting bit by bit to see how I wanted the look of it to be. But I honestly think it just brought it to the next level. Like, I don't know. I'm honestly thinking I could cut a bit more, but you guys let me know how you think it came out. Do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you. But yeah, guys, this is how it turned out. The curl pattern is so pretty after adding everything. Like, it's so soft, it's so thick. I literally got complimented all night on this hair. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Please comment, please like, and please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.